Hey William, this is Jesse shooting a quick video for you from this STA that we're doing for the Wilkins job. We did this 3 years ago, give or take, and this is all the field here. You can see that's the lateral there, the one furthest on the downslope side. And then we have all this cover layer that's all revegetated nicely. And then we did substantial rock work here as well to retain the cover layer in good working order for years to come. As you can see, we do have slope for drainage, and we also have plenty of soil retention and no signs of any erosion. Good vegetation happening here. And then we have our rock retaining wall along the bottom of this slope and this toe on this cover layer. So we have an easy 1 foot of cover over the whole field. And then you see we basically have 20 feet at this point, with a nice little staircase here going up. And then at some of our shallower areas or narrower areas, this is about 15 feet of toe on this slope, as well as some trees holding the soil in, and plenty of retention here, with some nice rock work along the base of this slope and this cover layer. So this is right where you were saying that we may need a liner and some additional rock here. I don't recall if we ever put a liner and some additional rock, and I could look to see if I could find any records to that effect. But as you can see, this is holding up great, and this landscape looks to be in good working order. All the cover is being maintained by these grass roots, and I wanted to show this to you so we can look at this and get this permit closed up for these customers who've been waiting patiently. I'd hate to come in here and tear up this landscape for no good reason, because this soil is all being held in place really nicely. So I wanted to capture this footage for you so you could see what you think and see if you can sign off on this permit so we can close this up for Boulder County and the Wilkins job. I believe this is 277 Spruceway in Netherlands, but I will get you that address for sure. Thanks for checking this out and considering everything. We also have the old STA up there, and we do have a diverter valve that's downstream of the tank that we put in, so that these two STAs can be alternated every 10 years or so, or more frequently if desired. But yeah, I'm looking at this, I'm feeling happy with the work and the fact that we kept these big trees in place, and we put some rock work around them with some walls so that they can continue to have good healthy root structure and systems. So that's the observation here.